So James Mellinger and myself were given strict instructions to go out and rip today. So he's going to be on the Baja 1000 Bonneville. I'm going to be on this Tiger XCX that Triumph Seattle hooked it up with, man. And we're going to go blast. Check it out. That was a little harder than I thought it was going to be.
But hey, we didn't crash.
Okay. This is a little rough for a demo ride. I wouldn't expect that from Triumph Seattle for everybody, but I think I'm a little special. I'm sure a lot of you do. You know, think I'm special. Alright, so I can confirm that riding here in the Pacific Northwest is as awesome as it always looks on YouTube or wherever you see it. We're going to wrap this up and we're going to head back. We got a barbecue to go to, and then tomorrow's the Outlack Tour.